What's up, everybody, and welcome to our next video where we are going to be talking about gold. Now, I'm talking about gold, guys, because gold has been just murdering the market, guys. The US dollar actually lost value, but gold seems to be just going up, guys. It continues to rally. And this often happens when you find yourself in situations in the economy where a lot of people are speculating around if the US dollar is going to drop and how bad the market's going to get. We already are starting to see some consolidation. I'll show you real quick. We're going to type in /NQ. And this is a NASDAQ future, guys, that trades, this is a future that reflects the NASDAQ. And if you just pay attention to what's going on, guys, you're seeing that we had this huge ascending, right? We had all this growth, like going up. The market was continuing making higher highs from that initial pullback in March during COVID. And we've seen the market, dip and find a support right here at this SMA, but then it immediately changes its direction. Find support at the SMA again, changes direction. And then we've seen it actually start to consolidate around this support right here. And then it broke through that support. And now we're speculating if this SMA is going to act as a support for it, or is it going to act as a resistance. But what does matter about that is if it falls, guys, look, I want you to look at /GC, which is, this is a gold future. And this is a future that trades 100% related off of the price of the commodity gold. And you can see, guys, it's just going up. It continues to make higher highs. Now, of course, I have to give you a disclaimer like I do for all of my videos. If you're trading, guys, just to make money in this market, you need to understand what you're trading, and you need to understand why it's going up, and you need to have your own plan for why it's going up, and you need to have your own plan on how you're going to trade it. So I say that to say, don't just trade something because somebody's suggesting it to you. Is gold extremely bullish right now? Yes, it is. And I'm going to show you an ETF pair that you can trade based off of gold. But if you look at our indicators, you look at our RSI indicator, look, gold is extremely overextended right now, right? We don't know how much that's going to go up. Does it have a lot more that it can go up? Yeah, it does have a lot more that it can go up. But whenever you're trading a stock, guys, whenever you're trading a spread, and it looks like this, where your RSI indicator is showing signs that this is extremely overbought, and your MACD is starting to show signs that it's reversed, that's changing its direction, that is losing that volume of going up, right? And then if we just go to our 10-day, 10-minute chart, and you can see that price is starting to kind of plateau out, guys. We can see this kind of this resistance right here. You want to have that knowledge in your mind. And in my opinion, I really think gold is due for a pullback, and I will only get in on this if it kind of pulls back maybe to this VWAP, or even pulls back down to this SMA right here. And then I will probably plan a risk management strategy. I'll manage my risk at 1 to 2% below this SMA right here, and then try to catch that margin in between this SMA and that next resistance. That's not really much offer, but like I said, I just wanted to talk to you guys about gold because gold is very bullish right now, and this is something that you can consider trading if you want to make money. Now we're going to talk about our gold ETFs, which is JNUG. And JNUG actually follows, like I said, the future gold, /GC. It follows it directly. So when it goes up, it goes up. As you can see, that this chart is very similar to /GC, that future. So if you wanted to trade gold, guys, if you wanted to make money on this, you can trade this, and this goes up when the market goes up. When gold goes up, and goes down when gold goes down. Or you can trade JDST, which goes down when gold goes up and goes up when gold goes down. So you can make money on both sides. If you want to make money when gold goes up, you trade JNUG, and if you want to make money when gold goes down, you trade JDST. And if you look, guys, we already kind of see this support right here with JDST showing us this is potentially an area where gold is actually going to reverse its direction. It's going to start selling off. And if we see gold sell off, we're going to see this go up, and you're going to see people making money. Now, I say this to say, guys, do not trade this because I am only suggesting it to you. Trade what you can understand. Trade what makes sense to you. Do your own due diligence. Do your own research. Take your own time to plan this stuff out. Don't just watch this video, open the application, open whatever application you trade with, whatever brokerage you use, and just buy gold. That is very foolish, guys. That's very ignorant. Don't do that. That's how you lose money, like 90% of everybody else that does that. They just go to a YouTube video, they watch it, they go to some video, listen to some guru, listen to some expert, or some person that's just speculating just like you are, and they buy their opinion, and then they get extremely crushed and devastated when they lose money. Guys, it does not make sense. What makes sense is making a plan. Make a plan for these trades. Make a plan on how you're going to make money on this, guys. And if you cannot make a plan for it, don't trade it. Flat out. Just don't trade it. But I want you to be presented with this ETF pair, JDST, that goes up when gold sells off, and JNUG that goes up when gold goes up, because I want you to be empowered by the movement of gold. Gold is very attractive right now. It's making a lot of people a lot of money, and if you invested in it, you're sitting on a very, very nice payday right now, guys. But at the same time, gold is overextended, and I want you to always play that devil's advocate. Why should it go up, and why should it sell off, and where is the price at right now, and how are you going to take advantage? With that being said, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. That's going to be it. I just wanted to present that gold ETF pair for you, and really empower you with that knowledge of understanding that gold is going up. It's very bullish, but we don't know how long it's going to last. But you want to be prepared on both. You want to make money if it pulls back by trading JDST if it pulls back, and you want to trade JNUG if it continues to rally and go up. Now, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, please leave a comment below. Let me know, what do you think? Do you think gold is due for a pullback, or do you think that it has more that it can go up? And also, how do you plan on trading it? Do you see value in this, or would you rather just let it sit? If you have any particular video ideas, guys, please let me know in the comments below also, and I would love to get that to you. Please consider liking the video. I'll really appreciate it. It does a lot for the channel. And also consider subscribing, guys. This is Money and Mindful Living, where we talk about everything from stocks to just mindful living. That's best practices and things that you can do in your life to make you a better person. With that being said, guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you next time. Peace. Oh!